gosh, look at all these birds. This is so many birds. Dude, there's so many. Will these guys ever leave? Do you think they will, Cole? Do you think these guys will ever leave?
Nah.
Why not?
No, we do not.
But why won't they?
Because they're hungry. We're probably the only place that has food.
Really? Oh, there they all go. They're all the back. Again. And on bird feeder.
I'm not going to show you a fat dude.
Play fake here on first down. It's incomplete. That would have been big in the end zone if he could have held on. Instead, it's second down. So we'll look here at the key inactives, and we got this list before the game down on the field. They tell us the same thing every time, don't they? Next man up.
No excuses. Be ready to play. That's the mantra of every organization. The key is having guys on the roster who are capable of filling in and playing at a high level. That's when you know you're drafted well, scouted free agents well, and stocked your team just the way you're supposed to.
And again, he's going to be stopped up right at the line of scrimmage. Back-to-back stops make it 3rd and 10. On 3rd down, that's Elliott. And able to break one tackle, but then quickly brought down. But a nice little gain. Give him 8 yards on the carry, and that's going to bring up 4th down. And they've got a decision to make here on 4th down and 2. And the first play will be a field goal try. This a fairly straightforward 22-yard short attempt. They pass up the play, fake it. It doesn't work. So the football will be at the 25.
1 minute later.
Set to take over. Reminder, a couple of good games still to come later tonight. It's the Steelers on the road to Detroit taking on the Lions. Then Monday night, the costumes will be in full force in Kansas City, I'm sure. As on the day before Halloween, we'll see the Chiefs play host to their AFC West rivals, the Broncos.
And I said just a couple of years ago,
So, are
it was
you
just like a
supposed to
night
know?
game that was won by the Broncos on a fumble return with like 20 seconds to go.
Absolutely, that was a thriller.
Aren't you going to win? Is what you think? Are you going to lose any time this season?
Throws and he gets this lane
Nope.
to Thomas. Oh, it's still got down. Broken away from Michael Thomas. And he just short down at the 1-yard line.
So, this video can almost be 19 minutes long. So, that's might be how long they're going to stay here. So, enjoy.
You should put, this is crazy.
Second effort there, he was determined to find Pickett, and he did.
I think that's a great example of what coaches talk about. A back that runs behind his
A lot of birds, eh?
uses pass to get him into the end zone.
So, while we do our podcast, here comes more birds. There's even more at the top of the tree.
Yeah.
here's the rest of them. Here they all go. Scatter, scatter, scatter. All the way back there. All the way back there. They might not come back, so this will probably be the end of the video. Meanwhile, there's some over there, if you can see. Those two black things.
Thank you.
That will be the end of the video of the crazy